Let's see. Pretty much fucking hiding over here. This light, there's been Boltz and 360 degrees around. I mean, it's just unbelievable. I'm out here in the rain. Oh, fuck. Cuddling up to the house here. This brick shit. Not that that matters because we got Boltz there and we got Boltz there. Okay, did you see that? That was a cross discharge probably, and haven't seen a few of them. Unfortunately, you probably can't. I'm pretty sure you can hear that. Now this over here is north, east, south, west. There, did you see that one? I hope it caught it. There's both all around, and now the rain is beginning to really. Okay, wind and rain. Wind, rain, and a